Elevate your code with the ultimate collection of Vue courses. Learn from experts in the Vue community, including the creator of Vue, Evan Yu.
You can do all of this with the full power of JavaScript.
We'll be learning how to extend our abilities with front-end skills into the back-end using Nux 3.
In this course, we're going to combine vtest and vue test utils to test the Vue app.
Throughout this course, you'll learn the skills and techniques needed to create a truly intelligent application.
This is the most TypeScript-friendly syntax in the entire Vue.js framework.
We can now reuse this composable in multiple components.
What are some good practices regarding GraphQL, Apollo in Vue?
And app.vue is the root component of our app. All other components are nested within this.
Hello, my name is Eduardo. I'm a member of the Vue.js core team, and I'm also the author of the router and Pinia.
We'll be exploring most of the features you can find in the Vue router library, which allow us to create advanced navigation in our Vue 3 applications.
We'll be diving into how to use Pinia, Vue's official state management library.
For me now, the reason it drives me is because I know it can make other developers more productive.
Vue Mastery is one of the biggest reasons why I have a job right now.
Level up now with Vue Mastery.